and welcome to Lana's Makeup Minute. But seriously, who's counting? So make sure you check on last episodes because you are not gonna look this good without my help. We're gonna be finishing up our Purple Rain look. We're gonna be doing lips today. Today, I'm gonna be using the MAC Cream Sheen Love and Cherished purple lipstick. Think of it like chapstick. Good, and a lot of people don't know this. You can actually use your lipstick as a lip liner. You ready for this? You don't want this stuff to get ruined. So what you need to do is you have to get the Urban Decay All-Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. And what this does is it takes it and it basically cements it to your face. And you just let it settle. Thank you so much for tuning in to Lana's Makeup Minute. I hope you enjoyed this look because you will be getting all of the guys. Make sure you tune into my other videos too so you can see how I did all of this. And comment down below what style you want to see me do next. Bye!